Vibe with Lady welcome to my channel.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another session on Vibe with Lady MM. So today I'm just coming to update you on my skin barrier. You remember that there was a video, this particular video, when I told you about my skin barrier I told you that my skin barrier got broken by using the body scrub on my face. Yeah. So this video right here was when my breakup was, I don't know how to describe it. I was exhausted from it because every day I wake up with a new breakout. I wake up with a new breakout. And then there are times that there's a breakout there and another new one, a new one is emerging. So there's a pimple there and a new one is coming from the old one, okay? So my face was scattered with a lot of pimples. It wasn't smooth. There were smaller ones, bigger ones. I wasn't happy at all. Then I came across these three products. I came across Esteline Skin Repair Toner, and I came across Esteline Dark Spot Face Serum, and then Sadua Face Cream. These three products really helped me. This products right here helped me a lot with this. So with this, you could see that in this video, I was having lesser breakouts, okay, just one or two, and I was having a smiley face because yes, I have hope that my face will repair, my skin will repair back to normal. Yeah, so if you're having issue with your skin or your skin barrier is broken like mine, I would suggest these three products for you. So these products really helped me a lot. My face was coming back to normal now, and I was really really happy. And you could see right in this video that the face is smoother. You could see that the skin underneath looks more healthier than the previous videos. I didn't use any filter, nothing here. This is right from my phone camera, okay? This was right from my phone camera. So as for the dark spots, it will be in another video, to be another story for another day, what I'm using to treat it. So I've been using these three products for almost 4 months now. I might even say almost like 4 or 5 months now. I've been using these products, and this how far they have helped me. They are not that expensive. I'll leave the amounts in the description box for you to know how much it costs. If you are in Ghana, then, or even not in Ghana, you can convert to your currency and know how much they are. They are really, really, nobody talks about them, but they are really amazing. Esteline Skin Repair Toner, Esteline Face Serum, and then Sadua Face Cream. These three products really help me with repairing of my skin barrier. Yes. So I'm not using anything that will brighten and the rest. I'm just enjoying. So this is how my face is looking now, and I'm really like, I've not used any filter yet. This is how my face is looking. For the dark spots, I will talk to it. I'll tell you about what I'm using to treat it. That will be another video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Watch, comment, share, and like my video. So this is how your girl's face is looking now. My skin barrier is gradually repairing, and I'm loving what I'm seeing because my face is clearer thanks to these three products right here. I love you so much, and have an awesome, awesome day, people.